Hi guys, can you all imagine a series which has been shot completely in lockdown and a complete new way of taking, where the series has been shot with different actors in their respective places amid lockdown, but in conjunction with each other, finally creating a suspense series? Then you're up for a read, guys. So this is Himanshu. Welcome to Chai Kahani. So today we have brought y'all yet another amazing series that caught my attention for its plot and the way of taking of the series. It is The Gone Game. So let's get started. So before going any further, let's get away with the story. In the midst of pandemic, Sahil Gujral goes missing. Thought to be a victim of coronavirus at first, his death points to a mysterious crime. Sahil's sister and father takes matter into their own hands to find out what actually happened. So starring Sanjay Kapoor, Arjun Mathur, Shweta Tripathi and Shreya Palgokar in the lead roles. So the series, is it worth your time? So let's get started. So firstly, some good points about the series. A big kudos for the taking of the movie. Complete credit goes to the editing team. What really caught my attention is that the series progresses with real-time events right from the start of lockdown in India on March 22nd. And coming back to the story, and Sahil, who comes back to India after a trip to Bangkok. Because of the current situation, he self-quarantines himself, and his wife is a social media influencer, and their family is located at different parts of India, such as Lucknow, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Dehradun, etc. And no one could see each other because of the lockdown situation. The series showcases all the people whom we could see in our real life world, especially in this lockdown, such as a person who is really scared from his trip, thinks that he might have contracted COVID-19, a social media influencer, and the stuff that they were posting in social media, especially during this lockdown, and a complete mixed bag of a family. With the series progressing, I think you could connect with situations in real time, and this is the strongest point in the series. And Sahil, who is presumed to be dead due to COVID-19, but the real twists slowly unravel themselves in the later part of the series, and how his sister and his father finds out the real facts, and how the story slowly reveals from the third episode and to the final big suspense at the end is a big plus point for the series. The series proves that in order to create good content, it does not require a huge production, but it requires a good planning and a gripping storyline. Also, the taking of the movie was so attractive and new, as the movie completely progresses with all the characters talking to each other only in the video calls, and this new method is completely gripping. I thought it could be a documentary, but it turned out to be a fictional story based on true facts on the backdrop of COVID-19 in India. The story turned out to be a huge surprise for me, and I was really impressed. Suspense is very gripping at the end, and a real fun series to watch. So, is Sahil really dead due to COVID-19? Or are there any secrets behind this death? So watch this series to know more. Next, the runtime. The series is just 4 episodes, and each episode is just about 25 minutes long. Feels like a movie to watch in a go. But, what really surprised me is that even within 100-minute runtime, so much can be extracted for the series. Also, a special mention for the background score as well. It took the series to a whole new level. So let's come to the cons. Wish the runtime was a bit longer, because the series is so engaging that you'll miss it at the end. And also, the series progresses really fast, so better watch out with complete focus, or you could miss out on some really good thrills. Overall, I would say, during these days, makers are pushing themselves for content, and with these new methods and new making techniques are emerging. The series again proves that even amid lockdown, good content can come out. A bit of pre-planning, grip on the storyline, a bit of jugaad as we always do, then comes such amazing thriller like The Gone Game. So definitely have this one on your watch list, guys. The series is available on Voot. Hope you all have enjoyed today's episode. So we'll be back soon with even more engaging content. Please like and subscribe to Chai Kahani for more of such cool and amazing content. See you guys in the next one. Until then, have a good day and be safe.